Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Keisha with Country Garden Oasis. We are doing our first official YouTube video in the greenhouse. So today I'm going to be starting some seeds. I'm about to go on vacation and my aunt is going to water them for me while I'm away. For most of you, some of you may know what this is. I'm going to be planting Red Roselle, which is also known as Jamaican sorrel. It's a hibiscus plant and these grow pretty big, and you can use the leaves. You can also use the calyxes, which are what we use in Jamaica to make sorrel, the drink, the famous Jamaican Christmas drink, as well as some people in other cultures use it to make jam. So I'm excited. I've grown this one before. I've done it in my raised bed, but I'm gonna be doing it at the farm. So I'm gonna do about 75 plants. I'm gonna start with 75 seeds. These germinate really well. I get these, funny enough, off Amazon. This is like my third year, so I'm pretty confident I'll get good germination. I'm gonna start them and then I'm gonna put them under grow lights and cover it with a dome and leave it be for probably about 7 days. I usually get full germination within that time period. So what do you need to start your seeds? For our beginners that have never started seeds, or you're just now getting into it, you need your seed starting trays. In this case, I'm using a 10-20 tray, and I have these little plastic inserts because I know I'm gonna have to up pot this. So I'm using these. We have our seeds, and we have seed starting mix, which I have back there. And to cover the seeds, I'm gonna use vermiculite. So I'm gonna get started by pre-moistening my seed starting mix, and then I'm gonna fill up these trays. I'm gonna turn the camera down so you could see direct action of what I'm doing with each part of the process. And then we're gonna put them on a heat mat under grow lights. I still need to install the hooks because how I set up the greenhouse, I have these IKEA tables, so they're not really plant stands, but they're perfect for the space because I wanted it all to look cohesive. But I came up with a plan. We ordered these hooks on Amazon. I'll show you the process, and we have chains just like I did with my racks, but I'm switching everything to white so it's all pretty. All right, so let's get started. So I've pre-moistened the seed starting mix, and now I'm just gonna fill my containers. All the soil, this one, the instruction, 1/2 inch below the soil. So I'm just gonna make a little dent. Because plant seeds 1/2 inch below the soil, keep moist and very warm. So that's why I'm gonna put it on a heat mat. Germinate in about 3 to 5 days. Plants need full sun and like to be fed often. Harvest when the calyxes are fully mature. Makes a delicious deep red colored tea. I forgot the most important part. You can also make tea with these, which I've done, and it's delicious. So I want to show you what the seeds look like. See, they're pretty big, so it's easy for me to drop them in. And I'm only doing 1 per cell because I know what the germination rate typically is. And then as they get bigger, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna transfer them to probably some solo cups. Okay, so now that I've finished planting the seeds, I'm gonna cover it with a little bit of vermiculite, and then I'm gonna water it in. That's it. I think I have enough seeds. I can do a 1/2 tray, which I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna flip the camera around, show you where I'm putting it on the heat mat, and then later I'm gonna hook up the grow lights. And I'll kind of show you what my idea, my thought is. We bought these hooks on Amazon and the chain so I can extend it, and then I can shorten it as the plants come up as needed. All right, let's go. So this is our heat mat. It's actually warm because I had the potatoes on it, but I shifted that up so it could get natural sunlight because I'm growing potato slips. Oh, and I do have all this Hattie potato. Hattie potato has slips. I'm excited. It's about 13 or 14 slips on one potato. All right, so let's get this going. So now here's our Red Roselle seeds. I'm gonna make sure my vents on the humidity dome, they're all closed. Cover that. So I will give you an update in probably 8 days because I'm going away for spring break. So not 3 to 5, but I'm sure they will germinate. Actually, I may just put my ring camera, point it this way so I can see what's happening with it. That might be right. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, we'll have tons of videos. There's so many things we're doing in the garden. If you could see behind me, the tulips are coming up in the bed. We have 1,600 tulips in our raised bed, and those are for a project that we're gonna give away. And I'm so excited about that. But to make the full announcement, we are getting a farm. We're leasing 2 acres, so there's tons of things I wanna share with you guys. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.